Children, since many of you have learned about Australian animals, today I thought I'll read this book called Aussie Animals by Rod Campbell. So, Aussie means Australia, and it's all about animals that live in Australia. Now, do you know what this continent is? Yes, that's Australia. If you didn't know it, you can look at it from here. That's Sri Lanka, and if you move the globe around, there you have Australia. So this book is all about animals that you find in the Australian bush. The animals get up very early in the bush. They make lot of noise. Listen carefully. Can you hear anything? I can hear a bouncing noise. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Who can that be? It's Kangaroo. She likes hopping through the bush. What can you see in her pouch? Oh, it's a baby kangaroo, and a baby kangaroo is called a joey. Now I can hear a digging noise. Who can that be? Dig, dig, dig. It's Wombat. He likes to dig holes and live in them. What can you see beside the earth? It's a baby wombat. A baby. Now I can hear a squawking noise. Squawk, 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 squawk. Who can that be? It's Cockatoo. She likes to chatter all the time. What can you see in the tree? Baby cockatoos. They're cockatoo chicks. I can hear a scuffling noise. Who can that be? It's Possum. He has a long tail and is very shy. What can you see on the possum's back? A baby possum. I can hear a splashing noise. Splash, splash. Who can that be? It's Platypus. She lives by the river and likes to go swimming. Who can you see swimming beside her? That's a baby platypus swimming beside her. Now I can hear a thumping noise. Who can that be? It's Emu. He can't fly, but he can run very fast. Yes, children, an emu is a bird that can't fly. And what can you see behind emu? You can see the babies. Now I can hear a laughing noise. Who can that be? It's Kookaburra. Yes, that's a funny name. Kookaburra. She likes to laugh a lot. What can you see in the nest? Again, we can see baby chicks, baby kookaburras. The sun is up now and it's very hot, and all the animals have a little rest. And I can hear a snoring noise. Someone snoring. Who can that be? I can't see anyone. Can you? It's a koala bear and they're sleeping. Shh. Let's leave them to sleep. Now, can you name these animals? Wombat, kookaburra, possum. That's not a cat, it's a possum. See, there's a big difference. A cat doesn't have such a long tail. What is that? A koala bear and a platypus. And that's a large flightless bird, a bird that cannot fly. What's its name? Emu. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. Emu. And there is a cockatoo. And what's that? That's a kangaroo. And all these animals only live in